Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the physical interface and readiness. Inspect the port on your Mac. USB-C and Thunderbolt look identical, so note labels if present. Use an Apple-certified cable or a high-quality adapter to protect data and power delivery. Plug the cable in gently until it seats. If using an adapter, attach it first to the cable, then to the laptop. Once connected, watch Mac OS for the device to appear in Finder or the menu bar. This confirms a solid physical connection. Once the cable is seated, you'll move to software mounting and permissions. Open Finder and look under Locations for your drive or peripheral. If it's missing, open Disk Utility to see if the system detects the device but didn't mount it. Make sure any app that accesses the USB device has permission in System Settings under Privacy and Security. Allow full disk or removable media access as required. If the device is visible but unmounted, select it and click Mount. Or run First Aid to repair file system problems. You can now transfer files or use the peripheral. Drag or use copy commands depending on whether you want duplicates. Monitor transfer speeds. External SSDs will be faster over USB-C or Thunderbolt. When finished, always eject the device from Finder before unplugging to prevent corruption. If the device still misbehaves, try swapping the cable or port, then restart your Mac, and if needed, reset the SMC or PRAM. One key troubleshooting tip: test the device on another computer to isolate whether the issue is the device or your Mac.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.